everyone, my name is Y Pranav sir. I am studying in class 5C in KV number 2 SVM. Today I am going to show my multidisciplinary project of class 5. This is my Max MDP project. Project title Currency. My guide teacher for Max is MV Lakshmi ma'am. Certificate and acknowledgement. Max. Here I have pasted 10, 20, 50, 100 and 500 rupee notes. And I have measured the area and perimeter of all these notes. These are the area and perimeter of 10 rupee, 20 rupee, 50 rupee, 100 rupee and 500 rupee note. The 10 rupee note has less perimeter, the 500 rupee note has greater area. Here I have written the denominations of 500, 150 and 10 rupee notes. Thank you. This is my EVS MDP project. Project title Currency. My guide teacher for EVS is J. Joshna Devi ma'am. Certificate and acknowledgement. EVS. I have pasted India map and locate their states and capitals. These are the Indian states and capitals. These are the 15 countries' names and their capitals. These are the 15 countries' names, flag and their currency. Mumbai, Hyderabad, Kolkata and Noida are the places where coins minted in India. Here I have pasted the pictures of Indian currency. Thank you. This is my Hindi MDP project. Project title Currency. My guide teacher for Hindi is Susmita ma'am. Certificate and acknowledgement. हिंदी. मैंने इधर करेंसी के बारे में प्रश्न और उत्तर लिखा गया. इधर मैंने 2 रुपये और 5 रुपये का सिक्का बनाया. धन्यवाद. This is my English MDP project. Project title Currency. My guide teacher for English is Purva Shukla ma'am. Certificate and acknowledgement. English. Here I wrote 5 sentences about importance of currency. Here I have pasted the pictures of 10 different countries' currency. Here I wrote about how currency is made. Here I wrote about what I will do if I have some amount. Here I wrote 10 sentences about the great industrialist Ratan Tata. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our video.